Yeah guys, it's Doc here. Welcome to this channel. I know it's a been long, but guys, I say like today let me come and say hi guys. It's good evening. The sunset is just there. It's just 1 hour to tonight guys. It's 6, so means when it's 7, that we call night. Like I don't know whether it's a village character, but that is it guys. So I'm happy to be here again. You know, I've been not uploading for a while, like I think 2 weeks or 1 week. So I'm here guys. Stay tuned, watch the video, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. Share guys, you know, we are just there remaining some few is this subscription, yeah, and the watch hours guys. So we have to show you the village life guys. So I'm home. As you can see my hand, I'm just from my hustle. So this is Saga, and I'm just here to make some few cleanness here after my work there. Mike here. So this is a jembe, so have to do something. Yeah. So we are here with my great nephew on niece. These are toilets over here. These are toilets over here. So we are trying to clean the environment. Yeah. Kifagia unikilima unatoa sawa? Sawa. Da toki pa tuko. Ile ndo kwa lili pasukana. Ile. Sura kuna tumi. That so in this case is whereby you can find some snakes and whatever. Like this kind of place is not supposed to be bushy. Today was at Chris Madiba's site there. He was working there. So after there, I decided to come and clean this place. Though I'm really tired. Really tired, guys. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Pole pole. Kesho mkuja shule mtoke shuleni za kuwa makauka. Mkuja myafagia. Mko mnakuja mnawapalilia hilo siku jioni. Umesikia? Anda pole pole. I was trying to look for a slasher. I didn't find guys. I wish I could do even this. So it's supposed to be a slash, but shall work. Let's see, maybe we can get from neighbor. Yes. Nimefika mbele kaita unia na ganda. Unaendelea kutoa. That is it. This is real village life. Pure village life. Yeah, everything we go through our hands. Temi kitchen hayo.
Nteme.
Yeah, so this is where I've lit, guys. Still continuing, yeah, with the boys. Yeah, still continuing. Stay tuned and remember to watch till the end. Don't skip, guys. You know we are still checking for watch hours, so I'm really excited. Yeah, no, having a jump and a digging is not easy at the same time. Like, and I'm too poor. Murudi muendere. It's really tough, guys. Weba to end. Yeah, so you have to have somewhere to throw it. That is a boy, village boy. He's here helping me to do that job. Hapo tumemwaga. Nikumbe kuja mara kwanza ukamwaga. See the second second trip to throw the trash over there. Yeah, I think the toilets needs some decoration. As you can see, there's no iron sheet and the timber at the same time steadily getting hot. Can you see is rot? Yeah. So it needs some iron sheet. I think 2 or 1 can be enough. Yeah, and the situation is not good. Yeah, that is it, guys. Tuende tumalizie sasa hapa. So have to finish here. Then see what's next. Let me get into the firewood first. No, in the village here they really make firewood. Look when fire up to the
Yeah. Ini jenis keluarga tuh. Sao? Tahu nanti movie. Itu bukan enggak saya ya. Nanti berisik kuma.
Yeah, guys, think I'm done. Just I think they could finish with picking that grass. Wow, it's work again. And I say, guys, thank you for all those people that are supporting this channel. And thank you again. Let's meet tomorrow, guys, on our next video. Yeah, bye bye. Love you guys.